Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. So to keep our St. Patty's Day going strong for the end of the night, relaxing atmosphere after you don't watch parades and did everything else, it's time to make you an Irish old fashioned. All right, first we're going to go with 2 ounces of Irish whiskey. I am using Jameson Black Barrel. And we're going to go 2 ounces of Irish whiskey. Next, we're going to go 3/4 of an ounce of Benedictine. It would not be an old-fashioned without bitters, right? So we're going to go 2 dashes of Angostura aromatic bitters. 1, 2. Then 2 dashes, or in this case, 2 drops of an orange bitter. 1, 2. Going to add a little ice. Give it a good stir. What's different about this is you don't really add any sweeteners, no sugar, no simple syrups. Last, we strain it and pour it into our rocks glass. Cheers, guys. Enjoy. This is what you end the night with, for real. There's a lot of flavors in it. There is a sweetness to it, right? But it's this is a good old fashioned. It really is, even though it's Irish. The flavors are like, they're there. Anyway, you can try this for yourself. So don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time, cheers.